In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Facebook ads invoices in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing ad expenses for a small business or simply keeping track of your own ad spending, Facebook Ads Manager makes it easy to view and download your invoices. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to Facebook Ads Manager. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing Facebook Ads Manager into the search bar. Click on the link that appears, directing you to the official Facebook Ads Manager website. Once there, you'll need to click on the button that says Go to Ads Manager. This action will take you to the login page if you're not already signed into your Facebook account. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password associated with your Facebook account. Go ahead and fill in those fields, making sure that your information is correct. Then click on the blue Login button. This will take you directly into your Ads Manager dashboard. Once you're in the Ads Manager, you'll find yourself on the Campaigns dashboard. This is your central hub for managing and viewing all your ad campaigns. From here, you need to look for the option labeled Billing and Payments. Clicking on this will navigate you to the Billing section where all your payment activities are listed. In this section, you'll find a tab labeled Payment Activity. Click on this and it will open up a detailed list of all your transactions related to Facebook advertisements. Now, if you have a specific time frame in mind for which you want to view invoices, look for the date filter settings, update it to reflect the period you're interested in, and the list will update accordingly to showcase your invoices from that time frame. As you scroll through the transactions, you'll notice each entry has detailed information, including the transaction date, the amount paid, and the invoice details. This comprehensive list allows you to see at a glance all the financial activities associated with your ads during the specified period. Finally, when you find the invoice you're looking for, you have the option to download it. Locate the download button, often represented by an icon that looks like a downward arrow or a download link. Clicking on this will prompt the invoice to be saved to your device, enabling you to keep a copy for your records, share it with stakeholders, or even print it out if needed. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward guide on how to view and manage your Facebook ads invoices. With these steps, you'll be able to access and organize your advertising expenditures with ease, ensuring you stay on top of your budgeting and financial planning. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.